Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an exciting one. Today is the unboxing of my CIRCUT Explore Air 2. So I got the rose bundle. I'm gonna show y'all the box. So here's the box. Okay. So here's the big old box. Let's get right into it. So I paid, so the bundle is supposed to be, I think, $349. Or almost like $400. I paid $260. Sorry, y'all, if y'all can hear my phone. I paid around $260. It was actually $284. Where is my receipt? I'll put it on the screen, y'all. But I got the rose bundle, so let's get right into it because I don't want this video to be too long, and I know it's some good stuff up in this box. Okay, so when you first get the box, open the box, it looks like this. It just has the CIRCUT and it has like the little pick tool. I don't know if y'all can see because it's really bright right now. Let me read it. Oh, it says go wild, go creative, blah, blah, blah. Oh, so it's just saying what's in here. So the air's in here, a weeder, a scraper, a strong grip transfer tape, printable vinyl, premier vinyl, shimmer permanent, removable vinyl, and permanent vinyl. Yeah, I'll put that on the screen somewhere so we all could see that. Here we go. So here she goes. I got the rose one. I thought it was super pretty. This is super heavy. So I'm going to cut that off. Okay, so it does come with the mat, which I will probably go buy more because they're on sale at Joann Fabrics. Okay, so in the bundle, it comes with the mat. Here is some vinyl paper. So we got like a gold, I can see like a pink, all types of like mixed colors in there. More vinyl paper. This is the one I just showed y'all was the removable. It says at the bottom, the removable vinyl. This right here is the permanent vinyl, and it comes with the other colors in it. And then this right here is the shimmer permanent vinyl, and it got some cute colors in here as well. So next is the strong grit transfer tape. This is the transfer tape again, and this is printable vinyl. What is it for? Allow ink to dry. I don't know, y'all. I have not used this yet. I have never used the CIRCUT yet, so everything is brand new for me. So next we got some transfer thingies, some little stickers, and we have the manual. And then last but never least, I actually have it upside down, but here she goes. So pretty. I thought this color was so pretty. They had a black one, a mint green one, and they had a pretty purple too. So this is what it looks like. It's all wrapped up really well. So next is the power cord and the, yeah, this is the power cord. I was looking, I thought it was a USB in here. So it's that. Here is the USB cord right here. Here's a scraper for the boards. We have a marker. And then we have a weeder. Okay, y'all, so that is everything. I'm going to show y'all again. We have the weeder. We have one of the markers. We have the scraper for the mats. We have the USB cable. We have the power supply. We got the manual, and we got some like little cutouts, little vinyl cutouts they already had. We have printable vinyl. We got transfer paper. We got strong grit transfer paper. And then we have all types of different vinyls. And then we have a board. Looks like that. And then last but not least, we have the CIRCUT machine. So yeah, that is the Rose bundle. I don't want to make this video too long, everybody. I just wanted to show you the unboxing. I'll probably come back with a video with me using this. I don't know when I'm going to get to use this. I want to use it now, but honestly, I want to watch some more YouTube videos to understand it more and see if I want to buy any more products to go with the CIRCUT, because right now, today is President's Day, and Joann Fabrics is having like a really good sale on a lot of the stuff that's needed for the CIRCUT. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you had any advice on how to use it, different software I should use, I know I get like a free subscription to like the CIRCUT software and stuff like that. But if you have any advice, any videos you think that'll work out well for me, just let me know. Leave them down below. And thank you guys for watching. Bye, guys.